start.
Good morning, students. In the previous classes, we completed set theory and different type of questions I tried to share with you, and I hope you all might have solved all the questions. In spite of that, if somebody could not solve any question, you ask me with the help of mobile or WhatsApp. Okay. Now, today we will start a new chapter, relation. Relation. Okay. And before discussion of relation, we will discuss a term, ordered pair. O-R-D-E-R-E-D. Ordered pair. Ordered pair, what is pair here? Means it is a kind of collection of objects or elements which are always found in pair. Ordered pair. Pair. And here is a prefix ordered. In Hindi, it is called क्रमिक युग. Kramic means order, kram. For example, if I write A and B, it is in order. On the first place there is A, on the second place there is B. If this is written inside the small bracket, then it is called the ordered pair AB. Okay, means ordered pair is a pair of elements or objects in a fixed order. Order is very significant. If I write A and B, and if I write B and A, this is also the ordered pair, but these are not the same ordered pair because order has changed. Okay, therefore how we define an ordered pair? An ordered pair is a pair of elements or objects in a fixed order written in the form A, B in the middle bracket. Okay. Now, in any ordered pair AB, A is called first entry and B is called second entry. Okay. Now, you all know in class 10 also, in class 11 also, that this type of ordered pair is used to represent a point in two-dimensional plane or in two-dimensional space of any plane. In that case, this A is called x coordinate, and it is called y coordinate in case of plane. But the ordered pair may be a point on the plane or may be an independent pair of two elements. This is called ordered pair. Okay. Now, second concept we will discuss equality of two ordered pairs. Two ordered pairs. Suppose I take two ordered pairs A1 B1 and A2 B2. Let these are the two order pairs. Okay, these will be equal. These two order pairs will be equal if the first entry of the first order pair is equal to the first entry of the second order pair. Means these two entries should be equal and these two entries should be equal. Okay, this is the definition of ordered pair, of equality of two ordered pairs. One thing a discussion should be raised here, that it is a collection of objects. It is not a set. And how it is not a set? First of all, the ordered pair is not written in the middle bracket. It is always written in the small bracket. First thing. Second thing, in the set there may not be two identical elements like A. In set, such type of repetition of elements are not allowed. But in ordered pair, this is allowed. Therefore, a ordered pair, though it is a collection of objects, collection of elements, it is not a set. Okay. Now, equality of two sets, ordered pairs, and two ordered pairs will be equal if the first entry of the respective ordered pairs are equal and the second entry of the respective ordered pairs are equal. Now, there are several questions, and you will get the question of different levels here. Suppose question number 1, if x plus 2 and y plus 3 equal to 2 and 3, find the value of x and y. No, see here, this will be equal to this, x plus 2 equal to 2 and y plus 3 equal to 3. No, then x equal to 0 and y equal to, here is also 0. Okay, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This is the solution, you can say. And in this way, there are several questions, a very easy question. Only the complication comes here if some equations are given here. First entry may be given some equation, analytic equation or trigonometric equation or expression, and equated to some particular number. In that case, we have to find x or theta. Okay, and there are several questions, you will solve it. First thing, I think ordered pair is clear to all of you. Okay, now we will discuss Cartesian product of two sets, or you can say product of sets. Product of two sets. No, it is also called Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. Look, Cartesian René Descartes was the mathematician who had first developed this question. That's why this product is sometimes also called Cartesian product. Okay, or product of sets. Product, we have done the product in arithmetic also, and the same type of concept is applied in the product of two sets. See, suppose I write a set, I have to multiply 1, 2, 3 and it is multiplied by 34 in arithmetic. What we do? We multiply this 4 by this 3. 4 3 are 12. In arithmetic we write here 12 we carry 1. Means 4 and 3 is multiplied. Then 4 is multiplied by 2. 4 2 are 8 and this one is added 9. Then 4 1 are 4. No, and then 59. In this way we write it. Do the multiplication. Now suppose I write the set A 1 2 3. 1 2 3 and B equal to 3 4. Now see how that concept is used here. that concept or similar to that concept is used here. Here is B set. Suppose I multiply B cross A. According to this rule, how we will do? From 3 we will multiply. We will not multiply, but we will write the ordered pair on 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. No, 3 3 means 3 1, 3 2, 3 2, 3 3. Okay. Now the left element here is 4, by which we have to multiply that. Means 4 1, 4 2, and 4 3. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3. Okay. It is B cross A. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3. In the arithmetic we multiply. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are, but here we will not multiply. Only we write the pair. Okay. And from this discussion, what we see, the B cross A is a set of ordered pairs. You can see here, these are the ordered pairs. And in this ordered pair, the first entry is from B. See here, first entry is from B, and the second entry is from A. First entry is from B, and second entry from A. First entry from B, and second entry means if you have the first element is B, then in all the ordered pairs, the first entry will be from B. And if you have second multiply is A, then in all the ordered pairs, the second element will be from A. In the similar way, if we write A into B, obviously all the elements of the ordered pairs, the first element will be taken from A and second element will be taken from B. Means I am writing again here 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4. From which element we have to start? From A. Means 1, 3, right here 1, 3, then 1, 4, 1, 4. After that 2, 3, 2, 3, then 2, 4, 2, 4, then 3, 3, 3, 3, and then 3, 4. Now you can see how easy these concepts are and how it is correlated with the multiplication of arithmetic. Okay. Now, how we will define it? We will define it as if A and B, are two non-empty sets, then A cross B is a set whose elements are ordered pairs whose first entry are from set A and second entry are from set B. Okay, this is the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, and I have defined it in language in set builder form. How we can write it? A cross B is a set. We all know set is written within the middle bracket, and this is comprised of the ordered pairs. Ordered pair is always written in this form, xy in a small bracket, such that x comes from where? X comes from A, set A, and y comes from where? Y comes from B. It is the cross product of two sets. Now, in the similar way, you can find multiplication of many sets. For example, suppose I write A equal to A, B, AB, and B equal to, suppose I write C and D. Suppose I want to find the A cross B. A cross B means we will start from A, AC, AD. Okay, AC, AB. Then BC, BD. BC, BD. Now completed. Okay, A cross B. And if you find B cross A, no, then we will start from what? B. CA, CB. Right here, CA, CB. DA, DA, DB. Okay, this is the product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets, you also can say it. Now, see here. In this example, you can see here number of A equal to what? 2. Number of A equal to 2. Number of B is also equal to 2. And number of B cross A, you can see here, or you can A cross B. No, you can see here A cross B has how many elements? 1. Its all elements are ordered pairs. 1 ordered pair, second ordered pair, third ordered pair, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means number of A cross B is 4. And this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Means number of A cross number of B. Okay. This is an article, you can say number of A cross B equal to number of A cross number of B. Second thing what you can see here, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. You can see here A cross B, the ordered pair AC, AD, BC, BD, SCA, CB, DA, DB. Now you can see all the elements of A cross B are different from the B cross A. Therefore, these two sets are not equal. A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but number of A cross B, it is 4, and number of B cross A, it is also 4. Therefore, they have the same number of elements, but their numbers are not equal. Okay, and this is the Cartesian product of two sets. And tomorrow we will discuss some other things, and you will write homework exercise 2.1 of R.D. Sharma or NCERT also you can write. You can do. Okay. Thank you.